Hello food lovers and family chefs! Welcome back to our channel where cooking meets fun and family time. Today we're taking a culinary adventure to the vibrant world of salads. But not just any salad, we're exploring the delightful mimosa salad. This recipe is a visual treat, with layers of colorful ingredients stacked to create a dish that's as fun to prepare as it is to devour. The mimosa salad, named after the bright and fluffy mimosa flower, is a beloved dish, especially in Eastern Europe. Despite what you might think, it doesn't contain any bubbly brunch cocktail. Instead, it's a layered salad packed with a tantalizing mix of tender vegetables, canned fish, cheese, and eggs, all brought together with a creamy mayonnaise dressing. This salad stands out for its unique preparation and presentation. Each ingredient is layered individually, creating a beautiful multicolored effect, much like the petals of a mimosa flower. It's a feast for the eyes as much as it is for the palate. Perfect for family gatherings, parties, or just a fun cooking session on a lazy Sunday afternoon. The mimosa salad is sure to impress your guests and delight your taste buds. It's a recipe that brings together simple, everyday ingredients to create something truly extraordinary. Over the next few minutes, we'll walk through the entire process of making a mimosa salad, from gathering your ingredients to the final presentation. We'll share some tips and tricks along the way to make sure your salad turns out perfect every time. So, are you ready to dive into this culinary adventure? Great! It's time to roll up your sleeves, put on your favorite apron, and get ready to create a masterpiece in your kitchen. Let's talk about what you'll need. For this recipe, you'll need 4 large eggs, 2 medium carrots, 1 can of quality canned fish, tuna, salmon, or mackerel all work great. You'll also need 1 large potato, about 200 grams of cheese. Cheddar or a similar hard cheese is perfect. If you like, you can add 1 small onion, finely chopped. For dressing and seasoning, you'll need mayonnaise, salt, and pepper to taste. Finally, fresh dill or parsley for garnish will add a perfect finishing touch. These ingredients combine to create a delightful layered salad that's not only appealing to the eye, but also a treat for your taste buds. It's a dish that's sure to impress at any gathering. So now that we've got all our ingredients ready, let's move on to the cooking process. First, we need to boil the eggs, potatoes, and carrots. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil. Add a pinch of salt, then carefully drop in your eggs, potatoes, and carrots. The eggs will need about 10 minutes to become hard-boiled, while the potatoes and carrots should be cooked until they're tender, but not too soft. A fork should easily pierce them, but they should still hold their shape. Once they're cooked to perfection, drain the water and let them cool down. While they're cooling, you can peel them and set them aside. Now let's turn our attention to the canned fish. You can use tuna, salmon, or mackerel, whatever you prefer or have on hand. Open the can, drain the liquid, and flake the fish into small pieces with a fork. If you're going to use onion in your salad, this is the time to chop it. Remember, we want it finely chopped so that it mixes well with the other ingredients and doesn't overpower the other flavors. With our ingredients prepared, we're ready to start layering our salad. Choose a clear bowl or a special salad mold if you have one. We want to be able to see the beautiful layers of our mimosa salad. Start with a layer of finely grated potatoes. Use about half of your potatoes for this first layer. Then add a layer of the flaked fish. Mix in a bit of mayonnaise with the fish to help it stick together and layer evenly. If you're using onions, sprinkle them over the fish. This will give a nice crunch and a bit of a bite to contrast with the smoother textures. Next, add a layer of grated hard-boiled eggs. Use all the whites but save the yolks for later. They're going to be our final touch. After the eggs, add a layer of grated carrots. Use all your carrots for this layer. They'll give a nice color contrast and a bit of sweetness to balance the savory fish and eggs. Finally, top the salad with a layer of grated cheese. Cheddar or a similar hard cheese works great here. It should be finely grated so that it melts slightly into the layers beneath, binding them together and adding a touch of creamy richness. Between each layer, don't forget to add a thin spread of mayonnaise. This will help the layers stick together and will add a bit of tangy creaminess to balance the other flavors. Also, sprinkle a bit of salt and pepper between each layer. This will help to season the salad and bring out the flavors of the individual ingredients. As a final touch, we'll use the egg yolks we set aside. Push them through a sieve to create a fine, fluffy topping. This is what gives the mimosa salad its signature look. It's meant to resemble the mimosa flower after all. This fluffy egg yolk topping not only looks beautiful, but also adds a rich, creamy flavor that perfectly complements the other ingredients. And there you have it! The cooking process for the mimosa salad is complete. All that's left is to let it chill in the fridge for a bit before serving, to let the flavors meld together. But we'll get to that in the next segment. Stay tuned. Push the egg yolks through a sieve to create a fine, fluffy topping. This is what gives the mimosa salad its signature look. Now this may seem like a small detail, but it's these final touches that can elevate a dish from good to extraordinary. And in cooking, as in life, it's often the little things that make all the difference. Once you've achieved that delightful mimosa-like texture, gently sprinkle the yolk over the top layer of the salad. The vibrant yellow of the yolk against the white of the cheese creates a beautiful contrast, making this salad as visually appealing as it is delicious. Now for the final flourish. Garnish with a sprinkle of fresh dill or parsley. The green of the herbs not only adds a pop of color, but also a subtle freshness that complements the flavors in the salad perfectly. Remember, we eat with our eyes first, and this final touch ensures that your mimosa salad looks as good as it tastes. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've created a culinary masterpiece that's sure to impress. The layers of vegetables, fish, cheese, and egg, all brought together with the tangy mayonnaise dressing, create a symphony of flavors and textures that will delight your palate. The beauty of this salad lies not just in its taste, but in its presentation. The clear layers, the vibrant colors, and the fluffy yolk topping make it a feast for the eyes. Whether it's a casual family dinner or a special occasion, this mimosa salad is sure to be the star of the show. So, don't just save this recipe for a special occasion. Make it a regular feature on your dinner table and enjoy the compliments that are sure to come your way. Voila, our mimosa salad is ready to grace any table. This salad not only tastes amazing but also looks stunning, making it a perfect centerpiece for your family dinners or special occasions. All right, the moment of truth. Let's give this beauty a taste. Oh, it's absolutely delightful. The layers of potato, fish, and vegetables blend seamlessly, creating a symphony of flavors. The creamy mayonnaise binds everything together, while the grated egg yolk on top adds a unique, fluffy texture that's just like the mimosa flower it's named after. And the cheese, it just adds that perfect hint of richness and depth. It truly is a feast for the senses. This mimosa salad, with its vibrant layers and gorgeous presentation, is sure to be a hit at your next family dinner or gathering. It's not just a salad, it's a centerpiece that's as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. So why not give it a try? We'd love to hear about your cooking adventures. I hope you'll try making this mimosa salad at home and let us know how it turns out. If you enjoyed this recipe and our video, please hit that like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more family cooking fun. We love bringing you recipes that gather everyone around the table. Until next time, happy cooking.